Commander Abhilash Tomy is one of the most celebrated sailors and pilot in the Indian Navy. On the 1st of July this year, he set sail in the International Solo Circumnavigation Golden Globe Race 2018. Rough weather and mountainous seas, however, damaged his indigenously built boat Thuraya. The storm that whipped up 70-knot winds and 14-meter waves also knocked down the yacht of another competitor, Dutchman Mark Slat's, twice. Irish sailor Gregor McGuigan was also forced to abandon his wrecked yacht during the race. He was taken to Perth by an Australian frigate. Indian commander Abhilash Tomy was stranded 3,200 kilometers off the coast of Western Australia when he sent distress messages to the organisers of the race. With his communication system broken, Tomy was only able to send a distress message to the organisers saying a severe back injury had immobilized him and he was unable to eat or drink. Rescue teams from various countries raced towards Tomy. The Indian Navy, along with the Australian Defence Force, set about in the mission to rescue him. The Indian Navy reconnaissance aircraft traced Tomy's yacht and he was rescued by French vessel Osiris 3 days after his boat was damaged in the storm. The French fishing vessel that was closer to Tomy's location reached him first with a doctor and a stretcher on board. Without any delay, the Indian sailor was taken to Amsterdam Isle for further medical evaluation and treatment.
ये देखिए कमांडर टॉमी जो हमारे बहुत ही एक बढ़िया सेलर हैं जिन्होंने ये अनअसिस्टेड नॉन स्टॉप circumnavigation of the globe on board the boat Madai इन्होंने किया था 2012-13 में. He finished this going around the world in 151 days, non-stop, unassisted. And now he was one of the invitees, or he was the invitee for the Golden Globe race, which was to commemorate 50 years of this feat. And let me tell you, this has been done only that time. That was the first and the last time it was done. And the winner was Sir Robert Knox Johnston, who had finished this race in 312 days. So now this was being celebrated as the 50th anniversary of that race, in which there were, apart from Tomy, who was a special invitee from the Indian Navy, there were 17 other people. तो ये 18 लोग स्टार्ट किए थे 1 जुलाई को, और उसके बाद इन्होंने पूरा ग्लोब का चक्कर काटना था, नॉन स्टॉप, अनअसिस्टेड. एंड और एक अच्छी बात, और इसमें एक चैलेंज जो था कि सारे इक्विपमेंट जो बोट में थे, नेविगेशन इक्विपमेंट, कम्युनिकेशन इक्विपमेंट, ये सारे उसी जमाने के थे. दैट मीन्स 1968 या उससे पहले के. सो ये थी रेस विच वॉज अ बिग चैलेंज. एंड टॉमी वॉज देयर इन आवर ओन बोट कॉल्ड थुराया, which was made in Goa in a private yard, and he was being supported by the Indian Navy, and also with the Goa shipyard was also there, and there are a few more little sponsors were there who were supporting it. कुछ कोई equipment में था, कोई कुछ gadgets में था.
Commander Abhilash Tomy said he survived the savage storm because of his sailing skills and naval training. In a tweet, the Kirti Chakra awardee thanked all those responsible for saving him. After initial treatment, Tomy was moved to Mauritius, where the Indian Navy has a physical presence. Navy spokesperson D.K. Sharma informed media persons that Tomy was recovering fast under medical supervision.
Commander Tomy is he's injured badly, but he's fine. Insofar as communication is concerned, he's got some equipment with him, with which he's communicating with the relevant people, and also with our aircraft which was there yesterday. There's another aircraft which is on top today. But the better news is, the good news, heartening news is that the French fisheries vessel has reached him. And now between us, or between the rescue team and Tomy, is only the weather.
In his monthly radio address Mann Ki Baat on the 30th of September, Prime Minister Narendra Modi praised the naval commander for his courage at high seas. Recalling his meetings with him, the Prime Minister said, Tomy is a rare example of courage, determination, strength and bravery. He also prayed for his sound health.
भारत की नौसेना का एक वीर समुंदर के बीच अनेक दिनों तक जूझता रहा, जंग करता रहा. वो पानी में बिना खाए पिए लड़ता रहा, जिंदगी से हार नहीं मानी. साहस, संकल्प शक्ति, पराक्रम, एक अद्भुत मिसाल. कुछ दिन पहले मैंने जब अभिलाष को समुंदर से बचा करके बाहर ले आए तो टेलीफोन पर बात की पहले भी टॉमी से मैं मिल चुका था। इतने संकट से बाहर आने के बाद भी उनका जो जज्बा था, उनका जो हौसला था, और फिर एक बार ऐसा ही कुछ पराक्रम करने का जो संकल्प उन्होंने मुझे बताया, देश की युवा पीढ़ी के लिए वो प्रेरणा है। मैं अभिलाष टॉमी की उत्तम स्वास्थ्य के लिए प्रार्थना करता हूं और उनका ये साहस, उनका पराक्रम, उनकी संकल्प शक्ति, जूझने की और जीतने की ताकत हमारे देश की युवा पीढ़ी को जरूर प्रेरणा देगी।
After the successful rescue of Abhilash Tomy, President Ramnath Kovind and Defence Minister Nirmala Sitharaman not only expressed relief on the rescue operation, but also appreciated Australian and French efforts in the operation.
I was worried about his back injury. If there was no injury, I'm sure that he would have come off his own. But because of the back injury, I was very much worried.
39-year-old Commander Tomy is the first Indian, only the second Asian, and overall the 79th person in the world to take part in a solo, unassisted, non-stop circumnavigation around the globe. Tomy was awarded the Kirti Chakra Tenzing Norgay National Adventure Award and the McGregor Medal for his valuable military reconnaissance. He covered 52,000 miles under sail while in the Indian Navy. He has also represented India in the 2011 Cape Town to Rio race, the Spanish Copa del Rey race in 2014 and the Korea Cup for 2 years in succession. With inputs from Anu Diwan, Bureau Report, Rajya Sabha TV.